Good morning, class. Miss Courtney here, and today is Wednesday. Today we're going to be making a rocket ship out of our construction paper, and we're going to be practicing using our scissors by cutting on the dotted lines. Remember, so your thumb goes in the hole, in the smaller hole, and 2 or 3 other fingers go in the bigger hole, and you spread your hand apart and close it together, and apart and together. Good job. So the big part of our rocket ship is going to be blue. What color? Blue. Good job. We're going to start with blue. Let's follow the dotted line. There's one half. We have to make a little point up here for the tippy top of our rocket ship. There we go. Nice and careful. Turning our paper and turning our scissors so that we can cut on the dash or dotted line. Now we just have to do the bottom. Good job. So, let's set this one aside. This is going to be the main part of our rocket ship. We'll set that aside for now. And we will cut out the windows. What color is this circle? Yes, white. Good job, white. And this circle is blue. Good job, blue. We have a white circle and a blue circle, and it's kind of hard to tell, but once I cut them out, you'll be able to tell better. But the white circle is bigger than the blue circle, and you'll see how that's going to work in 1 minute. So let's get our scissors. Our thumb goes in the little hole, and 2 or 3 fingers go in the bigger hole. Good job. You spread your hand apart and pinch it back together. Apart and together. Good job. So we're going to cut on the dash or dotted line. Just go all the way around our white circle here. Good job. So we have our white circle cut out, and it's not perfect, but that's totally okay. White circle, and now let's do our blue circle. The lines for this one are a little bit harder for you guys to see, but that's okay. Here we go, cutting on that dotted line. Nice and slow, you don't have to go fast. Better to go slow when you want something to look good, too. Doesn't always have to be a race, even though it's fun to do things fast. Alright, so check this out. We have a smaller blue circle and a white circle, but when you put them together, like that, and then it's on our rocket ship, what does that look like? That looks like a window, doesn't it? Yes, it looks like a window. Awesome, so we're going to keep this aside now. We'll glue it all together once we get all the pieces cut out. This, who can tell me what shape this is? It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. This is a triangle. Good job. Who can tell me what color this is? Get ready? Yellow. Good job. A yellow, what shape? Triangle. Good job. We have a yellow triangle that we're going to cut out next. Cutting on the dotted line. On the dashed line, and we'll get this line, side number 2, and side number 3. Ta-da! And now we have the tippy top of our spaceship. Let's see how it fits in. Our spaceship, boop, it goes right there. Ta-da! Look at that, it has a yellow tip and a window right now. Let's see what else we have. I also made, this is an interesting shape, but these are going to be the wings for the spaceship. So it can fly through space and zoom around. These are the wings. So we'll just do one at a time and cut that piece off. Go back over here and be really careful. Boop. Ta-da! Now we have, it kind of looks like a triangle, but it doesn't have straight sides. This is the color red. So look, let's see. It's gonna go right there on our spaceship. Do you see that? It's the wing. And the other one is gonna go on this side. Let's cut out the other one. Good job. So we have our second wing that's gonna go on this half of our rocket ship. Wow, look at that, it's coming together. Looks like a rocket ship now. I made an orange base for the rocket ship as well. And this shape has 4 sides. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. Gonna cut on that dashed line. Follow it really carefully. Spreading your fingers apart and pushing them back together so that the scissors can open and close. Open and close. Fingers are apart and shut. Good job. Now I have to be really careful that I don't pinch my finger with the scissors here. So I keep my fingers away from the edge of where I'm cutting. I try to keep them away from where I'm cutting, so that there's no chance they could get me. Ta-da! Now we have the base for our rocket ship, the orange base. Look at that! Wow! Alright, and the last part is the fire for the engine. We have to cut these out. The first one is going to be red, and the red one is going to sit inside of the orange one, so that it looks like fire. This one I didn't make a dashed line for because it's pretty small, and you guys can make yours bigger, but since this one's small, I just drew the line as a solid line so that I could see where the shape was really easily. There's one. And here's our second flame. The one that the red one is going to sit inside of the orange one. The red one will be inside of the orange flame. See how I'm turning my paper so I can cut on the line? I'm not really moving my scissors a whole lot. I'm just opening and closing them, but I'm turning my paper and cutting on the line. Alright, now check this out. Look, we have our flame. Look at that. Ta-da! Wow. Okay, let's glue it all together. So we'll set our wings to the side, put those in a little pile, and we'll move our roof and our windows and our base and our flames. They're all going to sit over there to the side while we glue the big part of our rocket ship onto our background. So you'll put some glue around the edge. And you can use stick glue too. I don't have stick glue, so I'm using my liquid glue for this. And we'll flip it over. Try not to get glue all over my fingers. And stick it on right about there, somewhere in the middle. And flatten it out, pressing it onto the paper so that all the glue gets to the edges of it. Good job. Look, I even got glue on my hands already. It's on my paper, but that's okay. Next we're gonna do our, should we do our windows or our top? Let's do the top. And then we'll do the windows right after. Okay, we'll just put a little dab right around the edge. And stick it on, just like that. Good job. Look at that, now we have our yellow top on our rocket ship. Ta-da! Wipe the extra glue away. And now we'll do our window. First, we have to do our white window so that the blue piece can sit on top of it, so it looks like that. Because if I did the blue piece first, it would look like just a white square, or a white circle, which is totally okay. If you don't want to do the other part, you don't have to. But I thought it looked pretty cool to do the smaller blue circle inside of the white circle. So why don't we glue the blue circle into the white circle and then glue the window onto the rocket ship, okay? We'll put a little dot of glue on the white circle. Boop. And we'll stick our blue window on. Stick. Good job. Stick it on. Try not to let it slip around. Awesome. And now we'll do a little circle of glue for the window to sit on the spaceship. There it is. Ta-da! And I'll poke him down really gently and press it with my fingers. Poke, poke, poke. Good job. Now, let's do our wings. What color are these wings? Red wings. Good job. Red wings. Let's do our left wing first. We'll put a little bit of glue on the back of the wing. And stick it onto our paper towards the bottom of the rocket. Just towards the bottom. Do you think it would look funny if the wings were all the way up here? Maybe it looks a little bit more like a monster then, yeah? It has an eye and a horn, or these are its ears. Maybe it has a horn on top. Yeah, it'd be silly if they were up there. But not today. Today we're making a rocket ship. And that's so fun. We'll stick that on right on the other side of our ship and press it down carefully. Press, 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 press. Good job. Now all we have left to do is our base, the orange base, and our flames. So we'll start with the base so that we know where to put the flames. We'll just put one line of glue for our base, okay? Look, one simple line. Ta-da! One line, and we'll stick the base on. Press all that glue down, don't let it slip away. And then we'll get started with our flames. We're just gonna do a little dot like we did for the windows. So first we have to start with the orange flame, because if we put the red flame on the bottom, you won't be able to see it. But if you put it on top, there it is. Now it looks like fire. So we'll put our orange flame on the paper first. There that goes. We'll put them right there. And then we'll put our red flame on top of the orange flame. Put a little drop of glue. And stick it on. Ready? Boop. Awesome. Look at that. Now, with just a couple pieces of construction paper, I made a rocket ship. A what? A rocket ship. Yes. What color is this rocket ship? Blue. This is the color blue. And what color are its wings? Red. And what color is the base? Orange. Yes, orange. And what color is the tippy top, the peak? Yellow. Good job. Yellow. And we have red and orange fire coming out of our rocket ship. See you guys next time.